Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, we will make a clock-like system in Python. So like a clock, like we already can see the clock at the bottom if we go here, but it's more fun if you build your own clock, right? So in this lesson, I'll teach you how to make a clock that actually works and it's not like all random or everything. So let's first start with import decanter as TK. Okay, now from time import str ftime. That's what we do. Okay, so now we go here into line 4 and do define time. Now in the line 5 we start to enter this. So now I click enter. It'll start there. String equals str ftime, and then these are the variables for the time. So all these has different meanings and stuff, but for now let's just enter them. And it'll the percent thing is in different styles. So yeah, let me show you. So we do %h colon %m, and then we do a colon %s, and then we'll do a %p, but the p is lowercase, as you can see. Now let's do label dot config, and then text equals string. Okay, so there we go. Now we'll go here in the 7th line and do label dot after 1000, and then after that we'll do time. Now for the line 8 we'll leave it blank, and for line 9 this is what we'll write. Root equals TK, that stands for tkinter, and TK. And now for line 10 we will do root dot title, and then we'll do Python clock program. Okay, now let's do label. Let's actually go back and do it in line 12. So we'll leave line 11 blank and type it in line 12. Label equals tk dot label, and then we'll do root Sorry guys. So we'll do roots dot and comma and then font equals. So here we're setting up the font. So there's this famous font. Usually in like Microsoft Word and stuff, it's like one of the main fonts. It's called Calibri. And then Calibri, we will do this. And then we will do comma 40. We'll set the size to 40 and we can make it bold. Now we will put a comma and do background. And then background will equal. I'd like to pick blue, but you can do any color you want. So I'll pick blue. And then foreground. And then foreground will equal white. Now that's the end of line 12. For line 13, we'll do label dot pack anchor equals center. Now we'll go to line 15. We'll skip that part and time. Now for the last line, we'll do root dot main loop. And this is what we'll do. Oopsies, let me delete that. Okay, so first we'll do Control A and Shift Enter. Oops. If you accidentally do something, maybe in the last lesson I think I told you guys, you just click Control Z. And Control Shift Z means redo. So we'll undo this and there. Now we'll do Control A and Shift Enter. So there's an error here. Let me see if I can find that error. So let's just exit this thing. So I think we did this part right. Oh, I think we did this for bold. We accidentally did that. So let's now do this. Okay, so I guess we fixed it. Now let's run this code again. Oops, sorry. So I will Control A and Shift Enter. Let's just X this. It should open up again, but it's strange. Let's just delete this and do Control Z again. And let's do Control A and Shift Enter. As you see, I brought it up and it got deleted again, so let's click this. I will copy paste this here and run it. Now let's just bring this code back here. Okay, I think it's still uploading it, so let's just wait. You know what, let's just delete all of this. Sorry, guys. Let's run this code again. So it's sort of like making an error, like it's not loading, but for the 1 second we already saw like the thing. It might take a while again, so just like you might want to like copy the code maybe. So by the way, I forgot to tell you guys how to like do this code. So first we open a new code here and click select a language. We type Python as that's what we're doing. Now let's Control V and Control A Shift Enter to see if it comes back. It's still loading, so I think we should give it a bit of time. It's still running the code for some reason. It's not bringing it up, but let's see if I can open up VS Code again. So let's type VS Code. Let's just okay, so this is not coming, so let's just exit this and then let's open VS Code again. So I saw that thing for a second. It's okay, we can open it up again. And now let's Control A. Oopsies, sorry, so let me just exit this part. Okay, so now let's Control A and Shift Enter. Okay, finally I brought it up. So let's check if this is equal. As you see, like, it's already, like, when I recorded this video, it's, like, already past 12 p.m., so it's, like, 8 p.m. for me right now, so it should do 12 plus 8, which is 20, and this is 8:32, so this is also 32. And the second part, I think it's right too, so yeah, the clock thing works. So yeah, if you want to like show someone this, then it will be really cool. And also, like I told you already, if you like want to like make it a different color, I said you can always like change this color from blue to maybe purple or red or green or whatever. Be creative, and yep. Let's just bring this thing back up. Okay, so here it is. So it keeps going back here, but it's okay. We'll bring it like back later. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson about Python, about this clock program, and this is something cool you can show to your friends and family. So if you liked my video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my new videos and new stuff. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.